Hello, babes. Called TWAN, you know, professional Tikuni, aka Hello Babe, you know, yeah. And you?
I very much chant
Timpodie.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
What a nice name. I like it. Oh, as you see me, I'm a pro when you problem you out here. I'm a businessman, you know. I do import and export. Once here, the cockwanso. Cockwas for funny maba.
Nampacho, uko kwanso.
Yeah, go also. Yeah, go also. One of Cofanio man, Cofa Banchi, Coco board, dear, so on.
Until 1 hour no import and export.
Yes, it's import and export, you know.
Oh. Yeah.
So I say, but you come on, Mama Chick, Killer Willie. Oh, and the mechano. I'm a chick, yes, I'll know. Tibian, come here, Bian, committee the man.
No, I'm sorry. Listen, I don't do that kind of job, so.
So I only said money. Oh, they are born in 20. I say, you need some friend. You think said them from by your bonny now. Me a dow, but some born worker. So, I say me says you. I have more cash, you know. I can blow cash, you know. I can service you. What's it?
How you want so the brother?
Friend of Tikoni TVGH.
Oh, you're funny, Papa.
Oh,
I'm sorry. No. Listen, I'm engaged, so.
I was why
I'm engaged.
Oh,
yeah.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Debbie, oh, Mommy.
No.
Hello, babe.
Nothing about it.
Babe. Oh, Mommy. No. Oh. Export and import. You are you. Hey. Sir. I'm not sure that. Let's watch your wife. Once I was all alone, I'm on pet.